treat making new friends like a game. Gamify the whole thing. Is going to be way more fun, is going to push you to do it more, and you'll end up with a bunch of friends. Like, set yourself some specific goals. Like, okay, like I'm gonna meet 10 new people this week, for example. Okay, you write it down in a notebook or on your computer. You could also do like, okay, I'm gonna meet this amount of people in a bar, this amount of people in a coffee shop, and then you tick off those boxes when it's done. I'm gonna make a friend by literally going up to someone and saying, hey, do you want to be friends? That could be one exercise. And then another exercise could be, I'm going to make a new friend by asking a friend or an acquaintance to introduce me to someone. I'm going to meet 3 new people at a party. Stuff like that. Okay, you can make it way more fun than this. I will eventually come up with some exercise, and I'll put a link or something at some point. And you can also find a fellow person with whom you can do this, right? Find some guy who also wants to make friends and challenge yourselves. You can challenge each other, and you can come up with prizes, like whoever meets the biggest amount of people in 7 days wins something, or the one who loses has to do a challenge. Stuff like that, and in terms of the definition of friend, how do you define meeting a friend, making a friend? Just, it could just be like once you get someone's phone number or Instagram, or once you've met up with them, whatever. Just gamify it. Make it fun so that when it doesn't work out, when you get rejected or whatever, you can just treat it as like a setback in the game, and then it pushes you to work even harder towards it, Don't take it so seriously, It's just whatever. Make it fun. It's not a big deal. It's a big deal in the sense that it's important to make friends, but instead of being like, oh my God, how do I make friends? How do I meet people? I'm bad at it. I'm awkward. Especially if you're awkward, do something like this. Gamify it and let me know how it goes. I'm very curious. All right. Get out there and make some friends.